مرحبا جميعا. Hello again everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned the question related to the professions in Arabic. In this episode, you are going to learn how to use the masculine singular demonstrative pronoun this and how to form questions and give examples. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. This means هذا in Arabic. هذا is used for masculine nouns. Let's see some examples. هذا بيت. هذا بيت, which translates to this is a house. هذا means this in the sentence, and بيت means house. Here we add the tanween, which means to double the vowel mark at the end of the noun, and it becomes بيت instead of بيت. Now let's see more examples that have the same sequence. هذا باب. هذا باب, which means this is a door. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد, which translates to this is a mosque. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا قلم. هذا قلم, this is a pen. هذا سرير. هذا سرير, this is a bed. And the last one, هذا أسد. هذا أسد, which translates to this is a lion. Now, let's see how to form a question using the pronoun هذا and how to answer to it. What is this? Translates to ما هذا in Arabic. Let's see examples. ما هذا. ما هذا, which translates to what is this? The answers could be هذا باب. هذا باب, which means this is a door. Or هذا بيت. هذا بيت, which translates to this is a house. Or هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب, which means this is a book. Let's have a quiz. You will have to know what is this ما هذا from the picture. ما هذا. هذا قلم. هذا كتاب. Or هذا سرير. Excellent. هذا كتاب. Another one. ما هذا. هذا باب. هذا بيت. Or هذا قلم. Great job. هذا باب. The last one. ما هذا. هذا أسد. هذا سرير. Or هذا كتاب. Awesome. It's هذا أسد. Great job. Before I conclude the episode, there is an important tip that you have to know. There is another way to form a question using the pronoun هذا, but you have to add a before هذا, so it's gonna be a هذا. This question is going to be a yes or no question. For example, أهذا كتاب. أهذا كتاب, which translates to is this a book? And you will have to answer whether with yes or no, نعم or كلا. Another example, أهذا سرير. أهذا سرير, which translates to is this a bed? And you will have to answer with either yes or no, نعم or كلا. We reached the end of our episode today. In the next episode, you are going to learn how to form the question, who is this, and how to answer to it in Arabic. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you again. إلى اللقاء. Bye.